My first job as a nail artist was at War Nails in Topshop on Oxford Street. It was the most famous nail art salon in London at that time. I mean, people came from all over the world for the ultimate nail art experience. It was fast-paced, back-to-back appointments, and I mean, looking back, I was completely thrown in at the deep end. But ultimately, it's taught me so much and it's given me the foundations to work in fashion. Now I do photo shoots and fashion shows. I work with magazines, celebrities, fashion and beauty brands, and top designers. A lot of the time I'm asked to do a classic manicure or a clean natural nail, but sometimes I do get asked to do nail art and I'm always ready. In these workshops you'll learn how to hand paint high fashion prints straight onto nails. No tape, no stamps and no stickers required. This course is for manicurists wanting to get good at freehand nail art and to take their skill set to the next level. Through this course, you'll build the confidence to tackle any nail art your client requires. This course is also for anyone who's into fashion and beauty and who just wants to learn how to do nail art. You don't necessarily have to be a pro nail technician. I'll teach you how to deconstruct and recreate almost any fashion print or design. I'll help you to train your eye, show you how to use your brush and other tools, and teach you how to work with colour and creating texture and tone. The great news is, nail art is easier than you think. I'm Cherrie Snow and this is the Fashion Nail Art Workshop.